How to adjust the 20-point white balance correction on Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the gear icon or gear button. And the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the gear icon. Okay, go to this. Here in general settings, okay, go to display and sounds. In display and sounds, go to picture. Here in picture, okay, scroll down and go to 20-point white balance correction. Here in 20-point white balance correction, make sure this 20-point white balance correction is enabled by switching on the switch button on the right side to adjust this 20-point white balance correction. And now you can adjust the gain. For my example, I adjust into 30. And also you can adjust the red. The red is 50. You can adjust to the right or left. And also the green and the blue. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully adjusted the 20-point white balance correction on Skyworth TV.